Hi everyone, it's Jenny Meadow. This video is about the negative form of the present tense. Here's our learning goal. I can say and write the negative form of verbs in the simple present tense. So here's the typical form of the positive present tense. For I, you, we, and they, we just add the verb. I walk. You eat breakfast. We go to school. They play soccer. For the he, she, and it pronouns, for most verbs, we just add an S. He walks. She dances. It rolls. The negative form needs a helper verb. So for the I, you, we, and they forms, we add don't in between the pronoun and the verb. For the he, she, and it forms, we add doesn't. So let's look at some examples. An important thing to notice here is that we don't add the S or the ES or the IES ending. The doesn't verb is what does the changing for us. The verb itself stays the same. So let's look at this now. I play volleyball. I don't play football. You like classical music. You don't like country. They ride bikes. What will it be here? We've got a skateboard. It's they don't ride skateboards. Okay, so we just add don't for I, you, we, and they. We eat breakfast together. We don't eat lunch together. Okay, so now let's look at the he, she, and it forms. John knows how to play guitar. He doesn't know how to play the flute. So again, remembering know, in this case, the verb, we don't put the S ending. It's doesn't that changes, either don't or doesn't. So for he, she, and it, he doesn't know how to play the flute. Erica makes her own clothes. What do you think? She doesn't make furniture. Again, no S. The cat sleeps on the couch. It doesn't sleep outside. Thanks for watching.